So I recently discovered this free script called Tekito Script that creates this shatter effect. It also has about 20 plus other effects. The link is in the description. We'll be downloading version 2.5.12. I use Windows, so I'm downloading for Windows. Yeah. So this stuff is downloading now. We just wait for it to download, and I will extract it to the right folder. It has a lot of other effects that I have tried out, and I'll be showing you guys in the video. So basically, once you have extracted it, you just click on this Japanese icon, the last Japanese icon. Don't click on Resolve, double click it. Then I'll just allow my PC to just run the script. Yep, so run anyway. So it will load out these windows. I just have to click on the Resolve launcher. Launch Davinci Resolve with this script. Click on the Resolve launcher. Now make sure the path is correct, the C folder program. Then I will click on Resolve and wait for it to load Davinci Resolve. So now it is loading Davinci Resolve. So each time I want to use this script, I will have to open Davinci Resolve with this script. That way I will be able to use the plugins. But once you add the plugin to your timeline, you are good to go. So I just created a new project from Davinci Resolve. So basically I'll just show you guys how to use the script. So I'll go to the Fusion page. We will shatter a text. So go to the Fusion, but before that, I will show you guys how to install the script. So go to Workspace instead of don't be like me. Go to Workspace, then Script. Nothing is showing. It's showing no script. So we are going to open the console. Then double click the Resolve launcher. Double click it. Then what you will do is you will drag this DND onto your console. Then you will see it installed. So just drag the DND onto your console. Then you will see a path mapper show up. So basically I will drag that now. Yes, so the global path is showing up, showing it is installed. So now that the script is fully installed, I'll go ahead and add a text node and we will shatter the text. So this is me showing you guys. It's shown as RS. I don't know why the guy named it that. The guy that created this script is a Japanese guy named Tekito. His name is there. So this script has a lot of plugin imports. You can import PSD. It has text utility, and we'll be using this comp utility in this tutorial. It's a very useful script. So basically I will just drag a text node. Then I will add Shatter from the effect library. So, but before I add Shatter, I will just add a media out node. Then with the text one node selected, I will type in Rajlord. Yeah, I will type in Rajlord. Good. Once that is done, then still on the Fusion page, I will go to effects. I'll go to effects, then templates. Go to templates. You will see the all the plugins. You have a lot of them. They are labeled as RS. So I'll just drag RX Shatter. Then I'll drag it into my node pipeline. Then we just play the clip and see how that turns out. So I just made the text larger so you guys can see the effect. Then I will play it now so we can see the shatter effect straight up. It's a super easy to use effect. Then I noticed that this is quite aggressive. We can see the sampling rate on the right inspector. We can see the FPS is 30. So if you want the effect to last for let's say 6 seconds, I just multiply 30 by 6, so I have 180. So it will play for 6 seconds and it won't be that aggressive. Make sure your reference timeline is set to 0 and not blinking. Make sure ref time is 0. Then all is good. Now we will just play that out and see how it lasts. So it is much more slower and less aggressive, which I feel is super cool. Yeah, unlike the 30 that was just so aggressive. Yeah, so that is our shatter effect. This works with a video clip. Now I made the playtime 120 so that can give me something cooler. You can animate it any way you like. Now I tried out RS zoom. There's outline, there's bound. Anyone framing just means like flying. So looking at zoom, I just drag the zoom into my node pipeline. It will create like a zoom out box. Yup, this is it. I've not really explored this so much. You guys can play with that. Yup, you guys can play with that. Just the zoom part. Just create a zoom. Maybe when I fully explore this, I will post a video about it. But this video is more about the shatter. So I'd like to show you guys one more thing. Yeah, why the script is still showing as RS. We'll go to comp utility. We'll open that. Yeah, I would like to show you what I noticed in After Effects. Now go to font. Yeah, go to font there. Then we see like this is all the font I have installed on my PC, and I feel like this is super cool because I can change my font just seeing them. Unlike Resolve's own that you just have to like be typing in, which I don't really like. So as I'm changing them, I can see them. Then I click auto apply. Yeah, that works. I like that. Then I can insert any node with insert color, paste setting, do a lot just using the comp utility. Yup, that works. So next we will separate each of the letters of Rajlord into a particular word. So just go to the script, then text, then separate. I've not really tried separating two words, but I've been separate. Then it adds a bunch of node by itself, just like that. Then I'll look for my media out. I'll make sure that the last D is connected to my media out. Yep, it's connected to my media out node. Then I'll just drag that. Then connect D to my media out. Then yeah, everything shows. The sweet thing is that I can animate each letter of the word Rajlord. To do that, I will select all my nodes. Then I will go to the script again, RS, then comp utility. Then this time I'll click on insert. Then I will search for transform. So you can use transform to animate each letter and create some super cool effect. You can try that on your own. Yeah, it will automatically add all the transform nodes. So I will just drag those. You can drag letter R and see how that turns out. Then you can play with the transform node of letter R. So just moving the size slider, you can see I can move that the way I want. I can animate it anyhow I want. I can go to letter A and play with that. This is me selecting all the node, and I'll just delete everything. So I want to try out other effects. So I bring in a new text node connected to my media out. It's showing nothing. Then I just deleted text one. I will type in Rajlord again. Yup. I could have used text one actually, but I'm just doing that all over again. So yeah, I just typed in Rajlord. Then I want to try out some other effects. So I'll try glitch and see. We can see it is glitching. I can try outline or some other cool effects. Yup. It will glitch. Then you can play with the XY refraction, but I won't be doing that now. So just try some other effect. Outline is a little bit too aggressive, so I'll just move this Japanese slider. I don't know what that is, but made it less aggressive. Yup. So yeah, so playing it, we can see the way it looks. Then yeah, there's a bunch of other cool effects that we can try out. I did try out Ugo. Yeah, so that made it, wobble or dance or something. I don't know. Yeah, the text will wobble. Yeah, which I feel is cool. Playing with the scale, made it wobble a little more. Yeah, you can play with other things that you like. So now I would like to show you guys that if I close Resolve and comp utility, yeah, and I open it again, and I open Davinci Resolve again, now without opening it from the script, I just go to Blackmagic Design and I open Davinci Resolve again, we will see that it wouldn't show, it will show as no script actually. It shows no script. Going to the Fusion page, while the Hugo is still there, if I go to script, no script. So basically all I have to do is just to do the same thing I did in the beginning, which is to open Davinci Resolve from the Tekito Script. So the last part of this tutorial is that we could just shatter a video like we did in the beginning. So the basic thing is that when you are doing this, the video you want to transition to should be below the clip that you shatter. Note that you can also access this script from the edit page. All you have to do is just go to your template, drag and drop the desired effect onto your clip, and before you render out your footage, make sure that you open Resolve from Tekito Script. So that will be all for today. Yeah, hope you like the script.